Thanks for signing up for my 10-minute training session. I know as a busy chiropractor, you're looking for more ways to see more patients, to make more money, and get your time back. My name is Marcia Reiner. I am a financial business strategist and certified financial planner with Bella Financial Group. I've been helping chiropractors create bigger profits using my unique and proven profit strategies that I have transformed from the investing and banking world. It all starts with understanding your numbers, and then you can make great financial and business decisions to grow your profits. But the number one problem that I've found with working with my chiropractors is that they're tapping out on time. They're busy and they want to make more money. But at a certain time, they're working maybe even 8 clients an hour, going from table to back and forth, running 2 or 3 or 4 rooms, and they're trying to rush through, and it's killing them. They feel like they're not engaging with their clients as well as they should. They're working nights because that's when the clients want to see them. They're working Saturdays, maybe even 6 days a week. And that's not what they got in this business for. They're even working and losing their Friday afternoons off. They're struggling with their office management because they're trying to run the office, be the doctor, create marketing strategies, solve problems. They're wearing too many hats at once. And so we go back to the big problem of really running out of time. It seemed like that their business used to be easy, and then they got successful, and then they just started growing and expanding, and things got a lot more hectic for them. They wanted to make more money, and they found that they were chasing their clients and killing themselves. And all the time, trying to manage insurance billing and create the environment that they wanted in their office. And they're just struggling to get their time back. They'd love to train their staff to do some of the stuff that they really ought to be doing. But many of us, or many of my chiropractors, feel like, it's easier for them to do it. They can't quite get the staff to complete the sale or do more than just book the next appointment. So what I've found with my chiropractors is that understanding that the business and the profits revolve around the doctor and your time. And so I've come up with a few ideas in this training that'll help you get some of your time back and grow your profits. So the number one way that I've found is to create systems and processes inside the practice to take all, and I mean all, non-licensed, non-doctor tasks off your plate. You've got to push those off to the staff that you've hired. And if you haven't hired enough staff or the right staff, then that's going to be a challenge for you. We want to hire the right staff to do the things that need to be done so you can see the patients and do what your license and your education and your heart tells you should be doing. Second of all, you need to improve your time management system so you can effortlessly see those patients. And if you're juggling 4 tables an hour, that's probably a little too much for one doctor to go and see. And if you get a client that has some questions or maybe has a few more issues than you originally thought, then you're running behind, and now everybody's late, and the hour and a half that you scheduled for lunch so you could catch up on things ends up being 30 minutes because you had to deal with the clients, and they're waiting in the waiting room, and they're becoming angry. And that's not the way you want to see your practice. So you have to improve your time management system to effortlessly see those patients. And then you really need to schedule time off for yourself and stick to it. So that hour and a half break between the last patient and the next patient, get out of the office, go get some fresh air. Then schedule Wednesday mornings to do your office detail, or schedule Friday afternoons to back off, or only work every other Saturday. You've got to find time to heal yourself. You are the fountain that fills that business going. So you need to make sure that fountain is full and rested so you can give the best service to those clients. So let me ask you, do you have too many clients to see? Too many patients? Possibly hiring a new doctor? Or go to the nearest school, and those interns need hours. they can come intern for you and help with some of the systems that you have. Maybe it's the initial alignment check that you have to do. Maybe it's the exercises that you need to do to loosen them up. There's a lot that the interns can do before you make your adjustment. And they need the hours and you need the help. So here's another trick for you, is creating multiple streams of income for your patients that are already there. That same patient isn't one service. That same patient can be multiple services that you don't have to perform. There's a good idea for you, huh? And if you do have too many patients, it's time to expand your practice. Either get a bigger space or a second space, and then you can see more clients. More clients means more money. Next, know your next step. Everything, and I preach this to all of my clients, everything you do in your business involves money. So having a solid financial business plan in place will tell you your next steps and how to grow your practice, make it more profitable, make it more successful, and give you back your time. If you're curious about some of these strategies to use in your practice, let's schedule a brief call. And it's a strategy call. We're going to talk about one issue that you have that maybe I can solve or reduce and show you how it would be to work with me. And I've got many, many, many more of these strategies up my sleeves. So these could grow your profits and potentially give you your time back. So schedule a brief call right here with me, and I look forward to talking to you soon.